Hello everybody, today this is my friend Mommy.
Hi baby.
And she helps me cook the
what?
The apple juice.
Yeah.
And she helps me make more apple juice. So you have to make us some. And we will help you.
That sounds good. We're gonna make some apple cider today.
Well, we sew up, so I'll play with Bubba soon. I'll play with Bubba.
Okay.
Then I'll play with the balls, like sign balls.
Whoa.
I showed you.
You're gonna put those in your little princess cart over there?
Yes. But
So Ryan may be in the whole video, may not. We'll see. This is a very casual, laid back video. And we're just gonna take it from there. Okay, you gonna go play?
yes.
Okay, thank you for doing the introduction.
I'll come back with.
Okay, it's right there. Thank you, Ryan. Okay, so I think we're gonna have 2 helpers today. And what we're gonna need apples, some orange juice, cinnamon, allspice, clove, vanilla, and salt. So it doesn't sound like that many things. And let's go ahead. Yay. You gonna help too? We're gonna gather our ingredients and then we're gonna cook it up. Okay, you went down? What are you doing? Do you want an apple too? Come here, I'll get you an apple. Come here, you silly boy. Come. So, hi baby. For our recipe, we need apples, oranges, lemon, cinnamon, whole clove, vanilla, sugar, brown, and white. And I'm also gonna use allspice and maybe a little pinch of nutmeg. I know you're there. So I do not have an actual orange. I have a little bit of orange juice left. We're gonna use that. And we're just gonna use this recipe to the best of our ability with what we have. So, you ready to get started?
Yes.
Hi, you ready to get started? Okay, so first thing, we're gonna cut, it says cut the apples, hold on a second.
Hello everybody. We're making apple cider today. So we'll take the orange juice, but then we'll take like apple juice. Don't you want us? Yeah. So, do you make it yours right now? Yeah, we are. Okay. And I'll start too.
You talking to everybody?
Yeah.
Okay. So we may deviate a little bit from the plan, but that's just kind of how we do it. And we just kind of go with the flow. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna cut the apples. And can you please help me put them in our pot? We're gonna do the stove, I can't talk. We're gonna do the stove-top version. So I have my pot here.
Yeah, this here.
What's that? Cinnamon sticks. Okay, and we're gonna cut our apples. Take all these seeds out. There we go. I'm gonna hand them to you, and then you can just go ahead and put them in the bowl for me, please. Not the bowl, the pot. I'm sorry, let me cut that one first, baby. So I'm just gonna slice the apples. Get the seed part out. And we're not gonna waste all the core parts. So what are we gonna do with the core of the apple and the seeds? What are we gonna do? Who are we gonna give them to that'll eat them?
Mary.
The Marys. Yeah, we're gonna give them to the Marys. And if you're not sure who the Marys are, which you probably have no idea what we're talking about, they are our chickens. Well, the Rhode Island Reds. Ryan has named them all the Marys. Oh, I'm sorry. And if you know anything about chickens, they eat everything, so. We try not to let anything go to waste around here. What?
I can use this apple when you're done with those.
Okay. Probably gonna speed up this process because I have quite a few apples. What?
That's cool.
Okay, this one?
Yeah.
Tomorrow is Thanksgiving. You excited to see family?
Hello. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving. With my little family.
Yeah. Who are we gonna see?
Connor, Scarlett, Steele.
Connor, Charlotte, Steele. Yep. Who else?
Grandma, Opa.
Yeah. All the uncles and aunts. There's like something on my thing. Good little bear. Yes. What do you have? You have your stuff? I can't do this one-handed. We can see all the aunts and uncles.
Oh, aunts and uncles? Why is it aunt?
The Aunt Amanda.
Amanda?
Aunt Amanda. Let me get Dr. Sally.
Oh, can I eat some of this?
You need to eat that, Bubba.
Can I eat some of this?
I don't think you would like to eat it like that, maybe. I love this knife. I've had this knife ever since I graduated high school. I got it for a graduation present. It is the J.A. Henkel's Professional S, and I believe this is the 8-inch. Yeah, it's amazing. All you gotta do is sharpen it, and it's perfect. We did all the apples. Okay, well now we gotta do the next step, which is we gotta add some of the lemon, orange juice, cinnamon sticks. Vanilla, we're gonna add that in just a little bit, okay? So let's pour. Can you pour all this into the bowl?
Yeah.
Thank you. Let's move our knife.
I can
only do a little one still. Make sure you don't miss. Pour all of it in there. There we go. So we're supposed to use more orange juice, but that's all we have. So we're just gonna go with the flow. That's all?
Yes.
Okay, we gotta add some lemon. How much lemon? 1 lemon peeled. I have a grapefruit. I might kind of substitute some of the orange juice for that. Let me find my lemon. I found some more orange juice. See, I told you this video was gonna be kind of laid back and just how it is. We're just gonna do it. We don't need all of it. We're just gonna do a little bit. Okay, so wait, don't be, no. Hold it.
I'll pour some.
I'm gonna pour this, and then you get to pour. Oops, I've already started spilling. Wow. Say, mommy's a little messy, huh?
Yeah, you're messy, you don't do.
Oh, thank you. Pour that in there. Good. So we have, what size is half cup? So use almost, I would say about 3/4 cup of orange juice.
So everybody, we are making this vanilla. Mommy has lemon.
I don't have a lemon. I'm out of lemons, honey. So we're gonna use a grapefruit. Not that a grapefruit is used in place of a lemon, but that's what I have. And citrus. Anything citrus I think will be a good little addition to this. So I'm just gonna cut that in half. Do a squeeze. It's gonna give it that tartness that you would get from a lemon, so we'll see how it tastes. I don't think it's gonna be bad. I love grapefruit and grapefruit juice, so I think we'll be right on track. Okay.
How about this one now?
Okay, why not? You're gonna squeeze it, you squeeze it. And then, oh, you dropped it in there, that's okay. You could probably let it just cook in there with it all, huh?
Yes. Can I let it cook it now?
There we go.
Can I let it cook it now?
Okay. Go ahead. I'll show you a close-up of everything once we get further. Okay, cinnamon sticks. We need to open the cinnamon sticks.
I will put all of them in.
You know we just need to do 3 cinnamon sticks, okay? Can you grab 3? See?
Yes.
You want to smell? You want to hold one? Those are going to be really strong, bubbies. This is what cinnamon looks like before you grind it up. Or make it ground. It's okay, grab 3 more. And put them in there, okay? Okay, got that. We need some cloves. Okay, put these in the bowl, please. And then we're gonna do some whole cloves. I bought them like this in the bulk section at HEB. It was 38 cents for 0.02 pounds because I don't really know how often I would use clove. You wanna hold it? So I didn't wanna waste the extra few dollars on a whole bottle of it.
We got more.
Okay, we just need 3, okay? You wanna hold this too? You wanna hold that? Oh, your tummy's showing. Your tummy's showing. Okay, let's add our vanilla. Okay, now we need
No, I will.
2 teaspoons. No, don't. Careful. Very slow. Vanilla is very strong. Okay, pour it in. 1. Hold on a second. Okay, hold on.
We add apples.
I'm gonna do. This recipe doesn't call for allspice. I switched recipes kind of last minute on you, so hold on. We're gonna get a different one. This one is not gonna come out with that because it's all wet. Okay, hold this.
That's pretty strong.
Is it?
Yes.
This is the allspice, so that's all we need. This is a ½ teaspoon of allspice.
I pat it down on my finger.
Okay.
That way it will not be a hard
Good.
taste.
I'm gonna do a little bit of, so I just did my allspice. This is gonna be, whoops, my ground nutmeg. Here, let me see the spoon, hang it over the bowl. Is nutmeg strong too?
Yes.
Okay. There we go, so a little less than a ½ teaspoon. Alrighty, Ryan, I think we are good. Oh, we need some brown sugar and white sugar. It says brown sugar and white sugar. I'm just gonna use brown sugar.
But you need some white sugar.
Yeah, but we're gonna use enough brown sugar to make it sweet enough, okay?
Okay.
Is that all right? So how much should we start with?
1. That's over 1 foot.
With 1 tablespoon or teaspoon? A tablespoon's bigger than a teaspoon. So should we do a tablespoon? Let me get my tablespoon, okay? Hey puppies, is that good? Is that snack good? Okay, so use, ½ a teaspoon. Use this one, sweetie, okay?
Okay.
And we're not gonna pack it, it's just gonna be a heaping teaspoon. So there you go. Okay, how about 1 more? Woo, okay.
That's big.
A little bit more, hang on. Let me make sure it doesn't do that again. Okay, that's all the brown sugar we need, okay? Good job. Okay, now we're gonna fill it with water just to where it covers everything. And then it says it's gonna simmer we're gonna cover it and simmer it for at least 4 hours. So can you wait 4 hours to drink it, Ryan? It's gonna be good, okay? So let's put some water in here. Okay, it has been several hours later. We just turned it off a little bit ago. Here is what it looks like. Let's stir it so you can see. As soon as I walked back in the house smelled so good. All the different spices just really came out, all the sugars, and of course the apples and the citrus. So I'm gonna strain it now and we're gonna test it. I can't wait to try it. It looks so good. So let's move on to the next step. So I have some cheesecloth here and I also have a big pitcher. So we're gonna see if this will all fit in here. If not, I have my backup pitcher right here. And let's just go for it. I'm going to use my strainer or my scoop strainer, pour it in here, and then you're gonna squeeze out all the juice and we'll see how much we have. It smells so good. So let's go ahead and get that going. see, how much do we have? Little over 1 gallon. It's just over the 2-quart mark. So cool, that made a lot. It's a lot more than what it looks like. It's a lot of apple cider. Okay, so we each have our cup. Which cup do you want to use, Ryan? You have yellow? Okay, yellow with ice, and then I have some for Bubba, or JR, with ice too. Let's see, let's pour some in. Bubba likes it, what do you think?
Yum.
Do you like it? Mmm. You're right, that's really good. That is really good. Cheers. Cling. Yummy.
How about this?
Yeah, let's cheers with Bubba tea. Ready? Cheers. Yeah, so I'm happy with this. Hope you guys try it. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving, Christmas, holiday season. You want more ice? Okay, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.
No, I want to eat some.
You want some ice? Okay, here.